Okay, good day guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. I just want to send a quick big up to Alicia Sampson. She is a YouTuber. She has almost 500 subscribers, guys. So I'm gonna put the link to her channel in my description, and you guys can click the link and go over to Alicia's channel. Kindly asking you guys to help her to get over the 500 subscribers, man. Go over there, guys, and run up the subscriptions, right? She has a personal vlog, right? And she also posts cooking videos on her YouTube channel. So, good energy over there, guys. Good vibe over there, guys. Good channel. So you guys go over there and give Alicia some support. Big up to Alicia Sampson, right? So guys, today's video I want to talk a little bit about the Pheonix Academy, Craig Butler's Pheonix Academy. So they have recently been reporting that they are on a European tour, right? And well, they right now, I'm not so sure if they're still in England. I'm not so sure if the England or the UK part of the tour is complete. But from what the Pheonix Academy is reporting, right, and I really want to talk about this because I love to see when Jamaican youths strive and do well. So the Pheonix Academy is reporting that they would have played the Crystal Palace youth team, right, and the Academy reported that they beat them 5-0. They played Sheffield United U23s. They played Port Vale's U21s. They beat Aston Villa's U under 18s 7-4. They played Reading. They played Harbour FC. Right, those are the ones that I'm seeing that they have reported that they have played. I'm not so sure if they have played others as well, but those are the ones that they are reporting that they have played. Right, and I really want to talk about this a little bit because it's very good when an academy can, be engaging on a European tour, right, and especially engaging on said tour and doing well, right. Very good when a Jamaican academy can do this, right. Of course, Pheonix Academy, one of the trailblazers when it comes to youth academies in Jamaica, right. So, some good results here. The Pheonix Academy are reporting a 5-0 victory over Crystal Palace's youth team, right. They did well against Port Vale's U21. They also are reporting to have done well against Aston Villa's under 18, right. So from what I understand, it's actually a European tour, so they're supposed to play other teams in Europe as well. From what I understand, from what they have been reporting, I am not so sure if the England leg of the tour is quite complete as yet, right. I'm not so sure about that. I'm going off of what they're reporting, but I know they would have recently have reported to have played these teams in England and done reasonably well. And judging by the highlights on YouTube, they held their own for sure, right? And they scored a lot of goals and they had some good results against some really credible youth teams in England, right? So we have to big up the Pheonix Academy, right, for this. Hopefully, I don't know what's the aim of this tour, if it's to get some of these young players contracts in Europe or what, or to just test out the youngsters to see where they are, right, in their development, if they can hold their own against some of Europe's young elite. But whatever the goals were for this particular tour, I hope that the Pheonix Academy would feel comfortable, and would be happy with, and hopefully they have achieved what they would have set out to achieve. I also want to talk about this youngster by the name of Whisper, right. I think his name is Dujuan Whisper Richards, right. He looks like he's a special talent, and I'm asking the question, has Craig Butler found the next big thing out of Jamaica? Craig Butler would have found the likes of a Leon Bailey, right? Is this boy the next big thing out of Jamaica? From what the Pheonix Academy is reporting, this young player is 15 years old, right? And from what the Pheonix Academy is reporting, man, I mean, this youngster is did well on the UK tour. 4 goals against Reading, scored a very impressive goal against Sheffield United's U23 team, right? I mean, this guy, I mean, from the video that we saw, man, he walked through the Sheffield back line past 2 defenders before putting the ball in the back of the net, right? Scored a wonder goal from half line, if I'm not mistaken. That was against Port Vale, right? These are the academies and the young teams, the youth teams of professional football clubs in England. I'm particularly impressed with that goal against Sheffield United's U23s. Now, for a 15-year-old, right, I mean, the Pheonix Academy is reporting that they played Sheffield United's under 23s, right? If a 15-year-old can score a goal like that against a U23 team, right, especially a Sheffield United U23 team, right? I mean, as I said, he walked through their backline, literally. If a 15-year-old can do that, guys, I have to ask the question, has Craig Butler found the next one, the next big thing out of Jamaica, right? That for me, I mean, look, the 4 goals against the Reading youth team, right? The excellent goal against Port Vale's U21, that's another thing too, right? If I'm not mistaken, Pheonix were reporting that it was the Port Vale U21s, right? And yes, it was the U21s, the Port Vale U21s, or under 21s. And for a 15-year-old to be scoring these sort of amazing wonder goals against a Port Vale under 21 team and a Sheffield United under 23 team, right? This is no joke. This is no joke, right? This is a forward who is putting the ball in the back of the net against players that are far older than him. This is a 15-year-old forward that is scoring goals against players much older than him. From what I gathered from the clips, the player has a good left foot, good first touch, poacher's ability, makes good runs, well-timed runs, right? Good skill, good finishing, good on the dribble. And another attribute of this player is that he seems to be tall. From what the Pheonix Academy is reporting, is that the player is over 6 feet tall, right? I mean, when you look at the videos, he certainly looks tall, right? He looks tall, right? Certainly a lot taller than some of the people on the park. So, I have to big up this Whisper player, Dujuan Whisper Richards. I wish him all the best. Hopefully he can fulfill his true potential. Hopefully he can go on to, get to the same level that a Leon Bailey has gotten to. I mean, the highest level. Bailey right now is in the English Premier League, guys, right, which is the biggest league in world football, right? So, let's see. We'll continue to track the development of this Dujuan Whisper Richards. But honestly, man, for a 15-year-old to be doing what the clips are indicating that he's doing, right, on this UK tour against these clubs, right? I mean, against players that are way older than him, right? It's no joke when a 15-year-old is walking through Sheffield United's under 23 back line. It's no joke, people, no joke whatsoever. So, I wish all the Pheonix players all the best, right? And in particular, this Dujuan Whisper Richards player, we'll continue to monitor him. Hopefully, he fulfills the potential that, I mean, his performances are indicating that he has a lot of potential. Let's hope the player stays focused. Let's hope the player stays driven. And let's hope, I mean, he's in the hands of Craig Butler. So if there's anybody out of Jamaica can get a young player, right, into Europe, it is Craig Butler. So let's see what Whisper Richards does. right? Let's see if he fulfills his full potential. Hopefully he does. I mean, the talent right now is looking scary. He is looking like a very well-rounded attacker, right? A very well-rounded attacking footballer. So, you know, wishing all the Pheonix young players all the best. Hopefully they would have achieved what they set out to achieve on this trip in the UK, right? And we'll continue to monitor, right, their you know, their future endeavors. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Again, you know, big up to Alicia Sampson. You know, go over to our channel and subscribe to our channel, guys. So stay safe, take care, and until next time.